The next question is regarding a new Muslim that is asking regarding the approach to marriage that she should or he should take. I'm not sure what gender it is. He. Everything that we covered applies to whatever your circumstance is. And there are things that sometimes may not be applicable to individuals that are a new Muslim. And in the case of a new Muslim, more specifically the topic of al-wilaya, which is the guardianship, which alhamdulillah in this context doesn't really apply. And so how to approach marriage as a new Muslim? Approach it like any other Muslim would. Approach it like any other Muslim would. Everything that we've covered in yesterday's lesson regarding the principles of Kitab al-Nikah, and like we said, we just covered examples of that from the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, the books of Fiqh are more explicit regarding exact stages and the conditions and the requirements of every stage of marriage. That is how you should go about getting married.